All right, YouTubes. All right, I'm heading up to do the install at the farm. You guys saw the boxes. It said Coke Farm. You can't make that shit up. There's a couple little waves over there. You guys probably can't see that. I'd have to zoom in, see if I could do a zoom in. But we got Monterey sunshine. It's so foggy, it mists like it rains. It'll be sunny later this afternoon. That's what it does here. And we'll get you guys up there when we get there. Stay tuned. This is our turn off to the secret lair, to the farms. Here to go off the berm. Now we're off-roading in the Vangina. She does it all. Gotta keep it slow on the curves. You never know when a truck's coming around. It's like 5 houses back here, so it's pretty neat. All right, I remembered the gate code. We're in. All right, this is on the way to the job site. That's Waddell Creek. We got this cool wooden bridge we're on. Look at this. I can see a big old mountain lion down there or something. This is probably the best job site I've ever had in my whole career. As far as nature-wise. This, the mom deer and the 2 babies. Look at them go. Pew, pew, pew. Mom, what is that? Oh, those are fresh ones. They still have the white spots. Let's see. Mom's on the other side of the road. Kids went to the left. Mom went to the right. Forest rats. Look at these guys. They're like, what the hell is that? There's Mom. They're gonna run out right in front of the car to go chase Mom. Watch. Nope, they went the other way. Pew, pew, pew. Look at them hopping like little kangaroos. All right, they'll regroup. All right. Here's the job site. There's my drain line. I got my pipe hanging up there, some parts. This is the container. It's been pressure washed. I'm gonna hang the coil right here. They still want the door to open. They still want to be able to use the door. So I'm going to hang the coil here. I'm going to take this flex off. I already talked to Sparky about it. They're going to put something more robust in it. Used to have this cool bot. I don't know if you guys have ever seen those. You can get your window unit to get the space down to like 50. Then we're going to go right out the wall here. Down. The unit ended up going outside. We just couldn't get it up on top. So I got the unit out here. I got to level it off and get it on some 4x. And that's our outdoor unit. All right, stay tuned. You see how stuffed the Vangina is. Look at this. Packed. Small van life reality. Not optimum sometimes.
You won't be smiling.
nitrogen purge rig up. Purging my nitro. I got the first couple of ones going here. Get these cooled off. And then check them with the mirror. I always like to cool them off, clean them up, and then check them with the mirror. And then we'll be outside. It's not a long pipe run today at all. It's a short pipe run. Let's see how we make out. That's my plan. Come out, come down. Go over, and then over to the unit. Cargo container out at the farm. Didn't get a lot of video installing it. Tried to do some time lapses with the 360 camera, but I think I had it in the wrong setting. I got a little bit, but we got it hanging on Unistrut. We got the drain. I just spray foam the holes. I'll trim those up when I come back to do startup. She's up here all nice and clean. Pretty simple. Let me take you around the side and show you the condensing unit. Jeff gave us a bunch of strawberries. No joke, Coke Farms. We're always organic at Coke Farms. Let's see, Jacob's got his fish tape in here for the electrical. We had to trench all the way through the fence down. We see the ladder way over there. And the pole's down the hill that way. I'll take you guys over there and show you the river and the pumps and stuff. But this is the condensing unit. It sits out here. We didn't get it on the top of the box. We ended up getting it down here. It's fine. Nice bone outdoor unit. Real ACR pipe. No soft copper. I got the duct tape up there. I forgot to duct tape the drain line. I'll trim that off when I come back to make it look nice. It's going to drain in the bucket. Then I can reuse the water around the farm for stuff. And that's it. It had these on there with those little robot sensors trying to make it cooler, but it wouldn't fly. This is where it's at right here. 2-ton bone. 448A, purge nitrogen on the whole job. And that's it pretty much. There's the van, get the pull right up to the job site. Look, how cool is that? Just boom, had that table there to work as a little workbench. Picking up my garbage. Oh yeah, I'll show you a couple things out here too that are cool. Got some muddy tires on the Gina. Get your Gina all muddy. Look at this. And the river's right over there too. It's cool. I brought my 12-volt refrigerator. She's still 38 degrees. Running off this battery right here. You could hook up a solar panel too and do your thing. And got Polymax particle sticker on there. Great podcast. You guys need to go watch. Got some NorCal, Kernville camp out. Another sticker from Kernville. Got a GoPro sticker on there. Got my matter of fact, my lunch is in there. I'm going to eat my lunch right now. Then we've got the blue room, which is actually gray today. And then that's about it. That's it. Stick around. I'll get the startup going for you, and we'll do the clean the lens. You know, we'll do the superheat and all the fun stuff. Rewards of the job. These are gonna go in the cooler for the ride home. Here's my H.V.A.C 12 volt fridge. I'm running it on the Iceco battery pack. Been out here all day, down to 54. Well, 80. I still got 84% battery. Incredible. 38 degrees all day. I still got my yerba mate in there, and my cutie and my banana. I just ate my sandwich. Yeah, it's just, the little 12 volt fridges are great for trips. This is how I was powering up the job site today with the all powers. I didn't bring a solar panel for it because it really wouldn't have made much of a difference. Smash the like button, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We'll see if we get any wildlife on the way out. On the way out, that thing is like centered dead nuts. And that's the pressure washer that was cleaned to clean it out. It was real dirty. And that's it. One last looky-loo. I'll get Jacob to wire it up. Stay tuned for the startup, and we'll let it rip. Nice, easy, clean little install out in the woods. These are all the drip irrigation lines. Bone. I'm still buying the bone stuff from RSD. I know they got Russell. I think we got a Johnstone's opening up finally in Santa Cruz. I'll see what they sell and check price. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, if you watch the time lapse, I walked into the fucking pipe after I told Logan to watch out for the pipe. I put my head right into it. At least I had my safety goggles on, so that's good. Right when he said it. Crap.